Affiliate marketing. It's everywhere, and for good reason. With a market worth over $17 billion in 2023, it's clear that this digital darling is pulling some serious weight. 16% of online purchases in the US happen through affiliate marketing. Pretty impressive, right? And it's not just for the sales. 83% of marketers rely on affiliate marketing to boost brand recognition. So whether you're a brand curious about starting an affiliate program or someone looking to earn that sweet passive income, today's video is for you. We're going to be breaking down the key pros and cons of affiliate marketing so you can decide if it's worth your time. Let's dive in. Pro number 1, low startup costs. Affiliate marketing is one of the few business models that doesn't demand a big upfront investment. There's no inventory to manage, no shipping hassles, and you don't need a support team. Got a laptop, a website, or even just a social media presence? That's basically all you need to kick things off. For businesses, this model is a win too. You can build a team of affiliates promoting your products without shelling out the money for an in-house sales force. It's low cost and gets revenue rolling fast when done right. Not bad for both sides, right? Pro number 2, flexibility and passive income. Who doesn't love flexibility and even better, passive income? For affiliates, this model is all about working whenever, wherever. Got a blog or YouTube channel? Awesome. With the right affiliate links, you can start earning commissions around the clock, even while you're sleeping or hibernating. Right, I think I've had a bit too much coffee. Now, businesses benefit here too. So they're getting more visibility without needing to micromanage campaigns. Affiliates bring the creative promos and leave the brands to focus on the bigger picture. For example, imagine writing a blog about your favorite fitness gadgets, right? Linking to products you love. So every time a reader clicks and buys, cha-ching, you're earning commissions. And as long as that post stays relevant, it keeps bringing in cash. Pro number 3, tons of products to promote. I'd like you to think of affiliate marketing as an all-you-can-eat buffet for products. From tech to travel, beauty to finance, affiliates have endless choices. It means you can pick products that match your interests, which is not only fun, but makes your promos feel way more authentic. For brands, this diversity means that they can attract affiliates who genuinely get their product and reach the right audience. So when an affiliate cares about the product, it shows in their content and drives real results. Fun fact, 81% of brands have affiliate programs. So whatever your niche, there's likely an affiliate opportunity that fits. It's kind of like searching through a thrift store. There's a little bit of everything, and with some digging, you're bound to find a gem. That's exactly what you're looking for. Pro number 4, minimal risk. One of the biggest wins of affiliate marketing is minimal risk. As an affiliate, you're recommending products and earning commissions without worrying about shipping, customer complaints, or inventory. If a product doesn't perform well, you're not exactly stuck with a loss. As for businesses, it's also low risk, a phrase that every business owner actually wants to hear, right? See, affiliates work on a commission-based model, so you only pay when sales actually happen. This setup makes testing out new markets or products affordable and safe. It's a bit like test driving a car. You get to see how it performs without the commitment of buying it. If it handles well, great. If not, you just move on to the next one. No strings attached or anything like that. And now, friends, it's time to visit the list of cons. Do we have to? Yes, we have to. You should know this before you get into it, so bring it on, future Kaya. Con 1, income isn't guaranteed. Let's talk about the flip side. Affiliate marketing might be low risk, but it's not exactly easy money. Building up steady revenue takes time and a strategy. So starting out, most affiliates make just a few bucks each month, and if a product loses popularity, that income can drop very fast. So to keep your earnings steady, I definitely recommend diversifying. So promote different products or work with multiple brands. That way, if one product falls off, you've got backup. Con number 2, dependence on affiliate programs. Affiliates are at the mercy of the programs they join. And here's the catch. Programs can change commission rates, adjust terms, or even close down. it's not always in your control, which of course can be stressful if it's the main source of income. For brands, changing program terms can create tension with affiliates, especially if they've already invested time and effort into promotion. So, quick tip, if you're an affiliate, avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Like I mentioned earlier, definitely go and diversify by working with multiple programs. As for brands, keep your affiliates in the loop to avoid unwanted surprises. Con number 3, competition and market saturation. With so many people getting to affiliate marketing, standing out is tough, especially in popular niches. Affiliates can end up competing for attention, which can make getting conversions difficult. For brands, a crowded space means affiliates are often using a similar messaging, which can confuse audiences. So how do you stand out? Well, if you're new to affiliate marketing, consider picking a micro niche, basically a smaller but dedicated audience. Now, micro niches help you stand out in the crowded digital marketplace by letting you focus on a specific, loyal crowd. For example, instead of targeting the general travel industry, you might specialize in off-the-grid adventure travel for solo women. This way, you're reaching people who are passionate about unique travel experiences, but also value community and safety. Or for dog toys or treats, a micro niche might be durable chew toys for large breeds, targeting pet owners with big dogs known for their chewing strength. This could include products specifically made to withstand aggressive chewing, catering to pet parents looking for items that last longer than a standard dog toy. Choosing micro niches like these lets you reach a more focused group, which makes it easier to stand out and build loyalty before diving into broader, high-competition areas. Con number 4, limited control over brand messaging. One con that many people overlook is the lack of control affiliates have over how products are portrayed. Since affiliates create their own content, brands can't always ensure the right message is getting across. If an affiliate exaggerates claims or misrepresents a product, it can hurt the brand's reputation, even if it's not the brand's fault. For example, picture a skincare brand. An affiliate promoting it might hype up unrealistic benefits, like it's gonna make you look 10 years younger and make your ex regret leaving you. If customers don't see those results, it impacts their trust in the brand itself. And there you have it. Affiliate marketing can be a fantastic way to earn and grow. Now's the perfect time for me to mention our partner program for you to turn your influence into income. We've got 2 great options for you. You can choose the affiliate program to earn lifetime commissions by sharing referral links, or dive into the solution program to resell and customize LiveChat tools, unlocking premium support and resources to grow your business. Now, both of these options offer free membership, expert training, and access to a global market. So whether you're a marketer, an agency, or an entrepreneur, our partner program will empower you to profit from top-notch customer service solutions. Ready to start? You'll find a link to Tech's partner program in the description. If you have any questions, thoughts, tips on affiliate marketing, definitely drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you soon.